Are you feeling tired or lazy? Visit us once a day to activate every part of the body from the inside out. Relieve fatigue with the AAA Terahertz cell repair instrument. You just need to switch it on. It has a standby mode, time adjustments, energy levels, continuous and stable PEMF electromagnetic pulse act as though they are charging human cells from the soles of the feet. Helps expel dampness and cold, and you will be sweating. This body detox activates cells, promotes body microcirculation, and releases any body pain from the inside out. The AAA Terahertz cell repair instrument is lightweight, convenient, and powerful. You only need one to help regain health for your whole family. Follow a scientific regimen to keep you healthy.